your car alarm is currently screaming and you're panicking, or you're just looking to upgrade your security, I've got you covered.
Car alarm my class. Candy truck.
The key fob, press the unlock button. If that fails, try the panic button again to toggle it off, Tom.
What? Candy truck, how dare 11 car alarm, that's it grounded for 3 months, principal office.
Candy truck, how dare car alarm in class, that's it grounded for 392 days, I'm call your parents.
Candy truck, how dare car alarm in class, that's it grounded for 12 days, this mean no start us now.
This mean no car alarm class, no Wi-Fi, no McDonald's. No computer, no Japanese food, no more. Go to your room right now.